vlogs too. And so we made it for the Festival of the Arts. It is like one of the last few days, and it's the very last day of our discount.
40% discount.
So
it's good if we're about to spend so much money.
We're about to be poor, but that's okay.
It's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna do all the art stuff before it leaves, because Flower and Garden is coming.
Yeah.
But we're gonna be artful today. Artful.
We're gonna be super artful. Let's go. All the way to the World Showcase, and now we're gonna go around. I think we're also gonna meet some characters later on.
Oh yeah, we are doing characters today.
Buy some stuff. It's gonna be a good day. Here is a brush for Thank you.
Y'all could do 5 squares marked number 10.
Sure.
5 squares marked number 6.
Thank you.
And 5 squares marked number 5.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Come on, Disney scoop. Okay.
That will definitely be like a slow
Or you want jeanise.
down.
You're just like a jeanise.
Number 5.
Jeez, is it you?
So we got our little paint. I got yellow. You got
What's that?
a really pretty blue, and you got a
Blue.
dark blue. So now we're gonna go paint. And we can paint any color square. This is fun.
Right here.
Maybe I'll like paint it in an E or something. It'll be cool. Okay, so the E is like a little bit. The E is a little ratchet because like I did, you know, it's okay though. I tried and now I left my mark on Epcot. Hashtag Emily Enchanted. And now Chase and Jason are, Chase is just painting some squares. And Jason is being a great little filmer. Look at him go. It's real artistry right here.
The stroke.
This is what Jason did. Look at the beauty and the artistry. Honestly, I think our 3 sections, the E, the line, and the clump, they really made this wall. Like, it was looking kind of drab before, but
Then we showed up.
we showed up. Okay, so this is what it's actually supposed to look like, the mural, and then that's what we just painted. So it's coming along. I think I was part of the little sun thing.
Oh.
Chase was
like the bottom of
the lines, and then Jason was...
I was on this little sea here.
Yeah, you were the
Ocean.
Earth Ocean thing.
Yeah.
Cool, cool, cool.
I guess I know where to come. If
Look at this
You guys
pen.
can flip through.
So
Okay, so we just bought 2 mystery magic pins because I saw the cutest little Dale pin that I want to trade for, so like hopefully it's still
You
there.
want to trade?
So we're gonna open them on the vlog and
Not
let's
sure what's
see
in here.
what we
I
got.
really hope it's not some epic pen that I don't ever want to give away.
Oh no, how do I open it?
In fact, okay, pull it really, really hard. Pull this thing. Oh no, guys. Oh no.
What'd you get?
It is Bambi.
Oh, that's so
I love Bambi, but I love pirates more. Probably gonna go trade little Bambi. All right, here. We're gonna help out Emily. My brute strength, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Jeanise.
I got, oh, what's his name?
Jimmy Cricket.
Jiminy
Cricket.
Wow.
That's a really cool pin.
It's a really cool pin, but I'm gonna go trade it for Dale, so let's go. Made it back to the pavilion. Let's hope the pin is still there. I see it. Okay, get ready.
Hey, you guys came back.
Yes, you did.
Trade them in.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a cute one.
Can I trade for the little Dale?
That's awesome.
It's so cute.
Rip to Jiminy Cricket. It was
Goodbye,
fun.
Jiminy
The
Cricket.
3 minutes was fun.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
He's so cute. He has little sunglasses. Oh my god, I'm dead. Thank you so much.
Okay.
There's a bunch of characters out right now, so we're gonna go meet them. Hello.
Yeah, you know what's me? I never get to see you, so I'm glad you're out.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever met you before.
I definitely haven't.
Hello, Chip and Dale! You guys are my favorites, my absolute favorites. Oh my gosh, hi Dale, can I, oh my gosh, can I get a hug? Guys, I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye. I love you. I love you both. So I've never actually been in here before. This is like, it turned into like a cocoa kind of dedicated thing, and it's so cool.
It is broken.
That's so sad.
Well, I
think we're gonna get in line to ride the Grand Fiesta tour. I didn't know the name of it. The Grand Fiesta tour. So I've never ridden it before. Have you ridden it?
I have literally never done this before.
I've never been inside this thing. I think he has.
It's gonna be fun though. It's fun. There's great
We're
food here too.
excited.
I wonder when it opens.
We made it on the Grand
Three
Fiesta
Caballeros.
tour or whatever.
None of us know what it's called. But
The Three Caballeros Grand Fiesta tour.
It's exciting.
I had no idea we were getting on it.
Oh yeah, he comes up, we were in line and he goes, did you know there's a water ride in here? And I was like,
Yeah, but that's
you
what
mean
we're
what we're
riding.
about to ride?
Caballeros, tricky, caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather. We're happy amigos, no matter where he goes. The 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together.
So we just finished riding the Grand Fiesta Tour, 3 Caballeros. Watch this, I'm gonna vlog and walk down the stairs.
Wow, skills.
Okay, so we just finished. What do you guys think? What do you think?
I
First
like
time?
That was awesome.
It's so chill.
It was cute.
I
It
love
kind
water
of,
rides. I love boat rides.
yeah, it kind of reminded me of It's a Small World. They had like the same figurines in it.
Yeah, same style stuff. So it's real fun, but now we're about a lunch real quick.
I'm so hungry.
We're gonna get some
I
food.
need food.
So we just stopped at La Cantina. It's like a quick service Mexican food place, and I got chicken and rice, just really simple. Chase
This
got,
empanadas and Mexican slaw is so good.
and Jason
You like
got.
churros?
Oh my gosh, baby ones?
Yeah.
That's so cute. So I've never been here before, but they have, so I'm gonna try it, and I will let you guys know how it is. Also, this is a really nice view. Like, it's really bright, but the sun is so pretty on the water. Okay, we just finished eating, and honestly, it was really good. I have a really low spice tolerance.
I'm really sorry about
So he told me, I was like, is it spicy? And he's like, no.
No, it's fine.
And it was a little spicy, but that's just me. I have a low spice tolerance, but it wasn't bad. Like, it was still really good. And then he got the little baby churros, and they were so good. I
if
hadn't
you
really
like
had a
churros.
churro before.
If you like churros and caramel sauce, that's the place to go.
Yeah, and then Chase, you liked it?
Yeah, I had the empanadas. Mine was cheaper. Mine was 12, but hers was like 18.
They were like,
saying
it's so cheap.
But it really depends on like what all you get. Like if you want it to be cheap, it can, but
But mine
there
was
are
like,
some that are expensive. So.
yeah, mine was like $16, so was it worth it? Yes. Was it a lot of money? Yeah. But before 4 o'clock, Monday through Thursday, you can get a cast member discount, so that is a good
We're
time to
just
go.
not-
And right now, we're on our way to go meet Sadness.
Character vlog almost. We've eaten.
We've had
Wait,
so
have we
many
done 3? No, we did. Technically, we did 3. Chipdale and what was the
Smee.
other one? Smee.
Yeah.
Now, oh, and we're doing Sadness and Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy. Oh my
And yeah,
gosh,
we're meeting
this is a
so many
character day.
characters today. So I'm so excited. I love Sadness. Hello, Joy. Hi. Get a hug.
A hug.
Sadness. Hello. Can I get a hug? Oh. How are you today, Sadness? Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Sam.
Okay, a hug first, and then I think I know why you're sad. Your shoes, they're just, you need some new shoes. They're not the coolest shoes.
Oh, nice.
Look at that.
Dance.
Joy, you don't even have shoes on.
Oh my gosh, Joy.
Or are they the same color? Are they the same color? Oh, they're bright.
Oh.
That's what it is.
Oh, they're bright. Yeah, they're better.
That's so cool.
Can we all know why Sadness is sad? Our shoe game is so weak.
Did you say the what are those?
What are those?
We were gonna be like, what
What
are
are
those?
those?
We had so much fun.
Now we are walking into the land, which has Soarin', Garden Grill,
Oh, Garden
some
Grill.
random stuff. And the thing is, I love Garden Grill. You know who cooks all the food? Chip and
Chip
Dale.
and Dale.
They cook all the food, and it is delicious. So I think we might just walk by, see if I can see my buds, Chip and Dale, and then we're gonna go ride Soarin' because I have not done the new Soarin' ride. I guess it like changed or something. Okay, I can see Dale kind of over here. There he is. Oh my goodness. I just wanted to stop by, see my little buds, and now we're gonna go ride Soarin'.
You good?
Wow, good guess.
we were gonna get it. I know it's a little bit hard, isn't it? What are we gonna do?
Alright, got it.
What is it like? Hold on.
That was good.
Hold on, it's recording.
I got them just because of you. Honestly, character spot, that was so
really good.
fun.
Wow.
Goofy was hilarious. He like posed us for a picture and he got in front of all of us and just started, he was living. And then Minnie was kissing everyone. Mickey was being cool. That was really fun. I definitely recommend character spot. That was a fun time. Okay, so we just went into Mouse Gear and I bought
in my bag. We did
bought
the damage.
a little bit of stuff.
Just a little, not just like a little bit.
Just like a little bit, because our cast member well, like the 40% off ends today. So I bought a couple of stuff. I think, oh, it's dark. I'm so sorry. The lighting is awful. But anyways, I bought some stuff. I will show you guys soon. Maybe I'll do like a haul of everything I've I've gotten at Disney World.
Getting harassed. That's the word.
Anyways, I think we're about to go get some ice cream and then watch the fireworks and just end our wonderful day at Epcot. Thank you so much. You too. We got free ice cream because Chase had these like coupons. So we got some free ice cream, and then Jason is trying to go find a churro. Up watching Illuminations. It was really cool. That's one of your
Yeah, I really like Illuminations. I know some people don't, but I don't know. I like it a lot.
It's really cool. And so that about wraps up our day at Epcot. We had such a fun day today. Like, we did so much.
Yeah, today was like seriously one of my favorite Epcot days. Yeah. It was so funny. We met Jeanise, a famous YouTuber. Jeanise. We watched the fireworks, did Festival of the Arts. It was so fun.
It was such a fun day.
I would just like to say that if you ever get lost in Epcot, Illuminations looks pretty good from Mexico, all the way over in Mexico.
Jason could not find us, so he watched it in Mexico. Me and we watched it
from
at like the front of World Showcase. But it was good. It was a great way to end the night.
It was such a fun day. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and coming along with us. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.